How to extend video duration in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. I have already imported this video. As you can see, it's 6 seconds. Now click on the video in the timeline. At the bottom, click on speed. After clicking on speed, click on normal. Now, in here, you'll find circle button. Make sure you drag it to the left side. After you drag it to the left side, your video will be in slow-mo, but as you can see, the video has been extended. And this is how to extend video duration in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.